So wrapping up for today, giving that a good 24 hours to dry. Same with them. And we'll come back to it tomorrow, see where we go. I'm also going to recover Gary's bike tomorrow, but it's not looking good.
Can you believe it or not? So I managed to get the van to take it to the garage, and we ran out of petrol, so we are in the middle of the road with no petrol now. What a day. Yeah, you told me I shouldn't come today, no?
The next day.
Hi everyone and welcome back. Sunday morning, I am shattered, absolutely shattered, so I'm not actually doing much today. My plan is just to coat the plastics on this bad boy. Yesterday I did all the paints, that was yesterday. It's in there curing. It'll be absolutely ideal for that to cure all week, for me to come back to it next Saturday, and then I'll polish it up. And then at least I know I'm back next Saturday with a, bit more energy and can hammer away at the CBR 125. So for today, it's a simple task. You paint on that, whatever it's called, quickle stuff. And then you leave it sit for a while and then you wipe it off. And it's meant to be a long lasting one. It's meant to last over a year. So that's my one and only task today. I'm gonna get any plastics I can see, really, handles. It goes on quite thick. It's actually a marine thing. It's more of a marine thing than anything else, but it's coming to the car world. So I guess I need to make sure these are all fully dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the car back, and I'm gonna do a patch of it, probably on this wheel arch here. See how that goes. I mean, it goes on quite thick and dark. It's gonna look black, really, which is kind of what I want. So this will be interesting. So this will kind of be a short review on that stuff. Ideally, I'd know what that stuff was called. Let me find the part and get myself ready, and we'll come back to it. So here's the stuff. Owatrol. Colour restorer. You can use it on metal and everything, apparently. It shows it on car, but it's definitely marine stuff, or was once in the past. Doesn't say how long you leave it on, which is annoying. Rinse through thoroughly and allow to dry. Right. To absorb, blah blah blah. Work for 10 to 20 minutes if surface absorbs. Move surplus to another area and then buff off with a cloth. Then leave for 24 hours. Well, I'll be leaving it generally. Alright, that sounds straightforward enough. Put it on. 15-20 minutes later, buff it off with a cloth. My assumption there is if it's not even, it's gone with a second coat, I would have thought. Let's do that. Let's set it up. I bought this little rolling tray. I'm probably not going to roll it on. The plan was just to put the juice in there and dip it with a brush. I've got a brush somewhere, I'm going to use that. No joke, I'm here with my way too big brush and my sealer, and listen, it's bloody raining. I can't, that's ridiculous. It don't look like it's going to last long. I'm going to sit aside for a minute, see if I wait it out. See who claps his first, me or the rain. Right, let's see this stuff.
See the match of work.
It's meant to be very good. It's meant to last a good year.
And no one, any reply for this that?
I thought it would go on more like paint.
No, yeah.
I've had a couple of
Would they offer you £1,000?
idiots.
Or offer you £1,000, innit?
Not really, right? One actually was making fairly fair offers, yeah? It's going to be hard to explain this, but they were making fairly fair offers. However, he was a dickhead. And you know me, I don't say that. Like, so the thing is, the way he was talking pissed me off. So he said things like, you've got that car up at £5,000, that's ridiculous, blah, blah, blah. I buy them cars all day long for £700, yeah? Now I'm thinking, now I know you can get the odd one. This one came up cheap. So I know you can get the odd one but and then he offered me an offer that was close to what I would have taken.
How much offer was it?
It was about, he started low, he started at 2.5. But I would take 3, so I know we would have met in the middle. But I actually didn't want to at that stage. At that stage I thought, well no. I thought actually, no, I'm not having it. So he was writing things like, I'm trying to think of some of the wordings. The cars need to be pristine to sell at all. I just didn't like someone coming in with an offer and pointing out all of the things that he thought was not right.
Yeah.
And he was wrong actually. He wasn't. Some of it he wasn't right. You know, he said they need to have a full service history, blah blah blah. Now this definitely has a full service history. It's huge. I've got it. It's huge. I've got it at home. It even has the original Japanese documentation. You know, it even has the original sale paperwork.
Is he from outside London?
So I actually said to him at the end, I said, actually, mate, you're not far off. You know, you're close to being able to buy this, but your attitude, I said, it's you know, I'm ending it here because of your attitude. When you come in and tell people that their cars aren't worth this and their cars aren't worth that, and you buy them all day long, so I said, you lose people straight away because it's a shit attitude. I said, and actually you're talking about someone who knows half what they're talking about.
Yeah.
And that's it, ended the conversation there and didn't go back to it.
Yeah.
So I've had some interest. This ain't a vehicle that will sell quick.
Give us a couple of months to be sold.
£5,000 is the cheapest one in the UK.
So that's modified.
No, cheapest, however they come, £5,000 is the cheapest.
Issues you can't drive in London.
Yeah, but people who buy these Rabjab, they, first of all, not many of them are in London, I don't think.
Maybe more in Japan. It's an ugly van. Oh no, I don't want to drive in that.
I think that's part of the charm though, isn't it? It's an ugly van, that's part of what's cool.
Where's the CB? Is the CB done?
Nah, the CB, no, I'm selling it as a project.
No, the CBR.
No, I painted the tank though. It's in there, don't touch it, but you can see it, the bag. Have a look in there. Me?
Yeah, you're out.
I went to a theatre show.
Theatre show?
Yeah.
Theatre show?
Yeah. Guys and Dolls.
What?
It's called Guys and Dolls. That's what the theatre show's called, Guys and Dolls.
You want to Charlie got a theatre show.
Yeah, with a friend. It was a
Play Revolves on tonight.
it was a free ticket. Yeah, I think I'll be on tonight. I don't think you have to. I think you have to go there and do the exam.
So the problem is, how you going to learn, Charlie?
I'm gonna have to get Danny. I'm gonna have to
Me
get,
or one of us.
I think Danny's built a board at home.
Yeah.
I think he's got a board.
So wait, it's all online. You can't.
It's all online. But Chris said I can go to the centre and use the board.
Yeah, go there because you're part of your final exam.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do it straight away, do I? I don't know how to set up.
I could come down and help you.
That might be good.
Yeah, let me know. I'll come down and help you. I know how to do.
We're allowed to go on a Wednesday evening.
Yeah, I'll come with you. On the
All
bike.
right. Well,
I'll help you. I'll school you.
Danny's gonna come in a month.
Certain bits of it, you do need the.
But I definitely want to go and do lots of practical.
Part of the level 2, the most of the 90% is practical.
Yeah, I know. Yet this one's not.
Because when I did my college last year, I finished my practical in April.
Get free training, take it.
Yeah. Other countries don't offer you free training, you know that? You go to America or other countries, they don't offer you no free training, you have to pay for it. Hey, what pocket? Oh, the guy sent.
Yeah, they said get a quote and I'll pay out of pocket.
Now the back's written off.
Here you go, guys. So it's 15-20 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Make sure if any of it looks patchy at this stage, you rework it. I've got an area there actually. Look, let me work that because you can see it. And then I let the rest dry and we buff it out. So I'm gonna have to go back and look at the pictures myself. I think there's a difference there. That does look brighter, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, I think it shows well here. I'm gonna have to do a before and after picture on this section. Yeah, it just darkened it up. Alright, and protects it more. I think that's done. I think that's done a good job. It doesn't look so worn and tired. I think next week I'll do it on here, but I'm gonna have to take off the other stuff I used which hasn't worked well. You can see it goes patchy very quickly. Yeah.